Reform's preferences can be opened in three ways. The first is to double-click on the Reform's toolbox icon. The second is via the Reform panel's flyout menu. The third is possible for users with an extended keyboard featuring a numeric keypad. When the Reform tool is enabled, the Enter key featured in the numeric keypad will open the Preferences window. Note that the normal Enter or Return key is reserved within the Reform tool for the more common task of applying a sculpt or path reshape. Not every preference will be covered in this video, as they are self-explanatory. Also, hovering over each preference brings up help text in the lower part of the window. It is often useful to change annotation colours when working on artwork with similar, strong, solid colours to ensure better contrast. Next, the Super Smart Remove, Vector Optimization and Tangency Placement preferences are very much related to Astute Graphics' unique technology found elsewhere in its plugins. Smart Point Removal determines that a minimal number of points are used in the final reshape path. By default, the associated value of 10 ensures no noticeable deviation from the requested path reshape. Increasing the value to, say, 40 will result in less points along the final path at the expense of shape precision. Now that the same sculpt has been created at both super smart levels of 10 and 40, it's possible to directly compare the differences in results. The tangency option will attempt to place points at the clockwork positions of 12, 3, 6 and 9 o'clock, where possible. This is to mimic the creation process of many professionals to assist in subsequent path editing following the reform process. For maximum shape precision, untick both options. The core technology still does an excellent job of keeping points to a minimum. All these preferences are stored between Illustrator sessions.